Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to show you how to create HVG file and import into Blender to create a mesh of that object. First we have to uh, select a black and white image, or we have to create a black and white image like this in Photoshop, and then we have to save it as PNG image. I'm going to save it desktop, save a copy, and then I'm going to save as PNG image, and I'm going to name add Batman. So our PNG image is saved. So what we have to do is we have to click on our browser and then type PNG to SVG converter. How to create PNG to SVG? So free convert. So go on this like PNG to SVG convert and choose our file, the Batman file. I have saved it in desktop. So this was an image I have saved. Yes, this was an image. Open this image and then output SVG file and then convert. It will take some time uploading. It will take some time converting. Done. So download this file. So see, downloading is done. SVG file is done. Now open Blender and then click on new scene. Delete this and file import scalable vector graphics. Go in download. I have Batman and then okay. So this is the image. What we have to do is we'll try again. We will delete this white part this time. Delete this white part and turn off this all logos. Delete this white part, so this will be PNG image, and then again we will export. We'll try this time. Wait, export, save as desktop PNG Batman, save. Yes, okay. And now again go in this side. Choose file from device. Wait, desktop. Here is our logo. Open, convert. It will again take some time. Am I selecting the right file? Wait, we will see. Wait, done again, download again. So let's try this file now. Array, that was also nice. Import scalable vector graphics. Yes, this time it is created nicely. So like this we can create an SVG file with any PNG image very easily, and we can import it in Blender. Go in curves here. If you want thickness, go in geometry and add extrude to an object like this. And then if you want, you can also add a bevel. Type 0.05, 0.005, 0.003, type 0.001. So like this we can create an logo. If you want to give a material, you can also give a material to this. For example, if you want to give black color, like this we can give black color. So like this we can create any SVG file within seconds. Within minutes we can create 3D object with SVG file logos. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel, and I will see see you in my next video. Bye guys.